Number five, self confidence. What is self confidence and why is it important? Self confidence is found abundantly amidst true leaders. Hence, they know about their competencies and leadership qualities. They are sure about their skills, their leadership skills. They have a sense of self assurance and self esteem. Most important, they believe that they can make a difference. As Rosalind Carter rightfully said, you have to have confidence in your ability and be tough enough to follow through. Self confidence is critical for leadership because it gives them wings to take risks, accomplish goals, and fly high. Organizational leaders take charge themselves and march with positivity and confidence. It allows them to make immediate decisions, solve organizational problems and conflicts. Good leaders take full responsibility and quick actions without passing on the issues, ignoring them, or procrastinating. You cannot make good decisions without self confidence. You cannot uh, get the confidence of your team about the success of a challenge if they don't see confidence in you and in what you are saying. The people around you cannot have confidence in you if you don't have confidence in yourself. Imagine presenting a business proposal to a room of investors and you are not looking very confident. Imagine telling your spouse that everything will be all right and you are not confident. Imagine being a general leading your army to battle and not seemingly confident in winning. How can you lead if you are not confident in leading? When I first went into public speaking, I was not very confident talking in front of people that I don't know. That was a big problem since I talked about motivation and leadership. Imagine a facilitator speaking about leadership and was lacking in confidence. I decided to do something about it. Someone told me that to develop my public speaking confidence, the only solution was two things: preparation, practice. That's it. Preparation and practice. I will never be confident about my talk if I do not prepare and practice properly. The more talks I prepared and practiced for, the more confident I got. Can you share a time when you needed to do something but lacked confidence? What did you do?